Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove the emoji from picture only with your iPhone photo library. You just need to tap into your photos and you just need to open the picture that contains an emoji on it. So I already have one here. So the next thing you need to do is just go click edit in the top side and then go click the middle one here. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this plus button, go click add shape, and then just need to pick the shape that you want to use to cover the emoji. Now you just need to go tap into this color and go click this color picker and adjusting the color so you will get the same color as the colors around the emoji. Now just need to go click X button and drag the shape here into the top side of the emoji. Don't forget to adjusting the size of the shape here so that can like perfectly cover the emoji. Then whenever you're done, just go tap into the done button and you're totally done. That's for the tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again in the other tutorial.